What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new Apple Watch Series 10 GPS 46 millimeter. Now, this has an aluminum case and it comes with the black sports band, and I got the medium large, and this is the jet black. Also comes in silver and rose gold. And as you guys see right now on Best Buy, they have it $50 marked off at $379. So I'll drop a link down in the description if you guys want to go pick this up. The 46 millimeter, and I've been wearing the Apple Watch SE, the second edition, for a few years now, and it's just time for an upgrade, and I decided to go with this. Now, I was looking at getting the Ultra, but I just decided that was too much money. I didn't really want to pay that, so here's the packaging that it comes in. Pretty simple, man. These boxes have gotten pretty simple. All right, guys, sorry about that. I had a phone call come in. So here's the back of the packaging, telling you what size it is and which watch it is, letting you know that this will work with the iPhone XS or later, iOS 18 and up. Now, I finished unboxing this after the phone call and had to go back and kind of put this back for dramatic effect. So we're going to go ahead and open this up again, let you guys see how it came in the packaging. So you got your watch and your strap there, and this is the inside of the packaging. Very nice with the watches there. First thing on top is your watch, and then you got your watch band. Now, there were some pull tabs here that I already pulled, like I said, after the phone call. Didn't realize that I wasn't recording. So this is your band. Now, this is the sports band, and this is how they have it packaged. And that's the sports band. We're all familiar with that. You also get some literature there, and it tells you how to slide this on and off of the watch right here. All right, so that's the band. And then this had pull tabs as well. It gives you some information right there as well. And then you open this up. And the first thing you get is your watch. And it says designed by Apple in California. Now, this is going to be your charging cable, Type-C, same charging cable as before. And then you get some more paperwork down in there, and then you get your watch. So this came in a little wrapper like this. The first time I took it out, man, it was hard to get this out of there. Just put it back, like I said, for dramatic. Gonna put all this to the side over here. And this is the jet black. Beautiful watch. As you guys see, here's your crown, your button. You got a mic right there. Here's the bottom of it. Got speakers, because this will work with playing music. And on the back of it, you got Apple. You got Apple Watch Series 10, 46 millimeter, GPS, aluminum case, stuff like that, and all your sensors there. And then here's the front of it. I've already turned it on, and what's in the pairing process as well. So that is that right there. Let me go ahead and get it paired up, and I'll come back and let you guys see what it looks like. All right, guys, so I have the watch set up, and this is the watch face right out of the box. Everything looks pretty familiar here. Nothing, this is all pretty much the same. There may be some new stuff on the watch. You got your widgets over here. The crown feels pretty good. I'll have to use it for a few days and check this out. Now, I know that there's a second hand that strolls up and down, as you guys see right there. This is part of this watch new feature right here. So this is a LTPO3 display. The resolution is 1460 by 496. It's an OLED Retina. And it's supposed to be 40% brighter than others, edge to edge. This has a Ion X glass on it as well. 2000 nits max, 326 ppi. This has 64 gigabytes of storage, IP6X water resistant as well. So looks great. We're going to take a look at the app right now. See if they have any new watch faces and things here. So let's look at the watch faces. So I guess these are some of the new ones, the reflection, the flux. I really don't change my watch faces that often, but you guys can see what they got here. Kind of like these colorful flux ones there. Gradient. Yeah. With my SE second edition, I use one watch face and that's where I leave it at. I don't change them often, but you guys can see what we got here. I don't know if some of these are new or not. I kind of like this solo in there. Yeah, so they got quite a few watch faces. I'm going to take off my SE, and I have already disconnected it. And it's kind of the string size right here. It's going to fit flat on the wrist. This one sits up higher. It's quite a bit thinner than the SE, as you guys can see right there. Just a different look right there. And so wider, so the face on this is going to be wider too. Let me drop it on my arm and check it out. All right, so here it is on my wrist, guys. Looks great. 46, fits my wrist very nice. I have a 7¼ inch wrist, and I do really like the way this look on my wrist. The crown is very easy to push, and as you guys see, it's not sitting up very high on the wrist. So yeah, man, so this is my unboxing first look at the Apple Watch Series 10 46mm. I'll do a follow-up in a few weeks. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out. So here's some bonus footage, guys. This display on this watch is gorgeous, man. Absolutely gorgeous. It's very nice, wide. The blacks are deep. The colors are excellent on it. This is a animated one here. I really do enjoy the colors and stuff on this, and it's so much bigger. Seeing text and stuff on this is very nice. So a little bonus coverage. I'll follow up on it in a week or so.